In the heart of a tech-savvy town, birds have taken on the unexpected role of chaos creators by perfectly mimicking car alarms, throwing neighborhoods into disarray. These feathered imitators, known as lyrebirds, have mastered the art of sound mimicry, and their newfound fascination with the repetitive blare of car alarms has become an unexpected soundtrack to daily life. Residents are torn between awe at their impressive skill and frustration over the incessant noise pollution. The bird's uncanny ability to replicate such complex sounds has even confused some car owners into thinking their vehicles were under threat. Bird enthusiasts are both amused and concerned, as the lyrebird's talents highlight the tension between nature and technology. As people search for solutions, these avian virtuosos continue their performances, leaving everyone wondering what sound they'll mimic next.